a.m. in Oxford, Alabama at 5 o'clock in the morning. There's the Waffle House. There's the Circle K. And there's my hotel. Econo Lodge. You can't really read it, but it's over there. So as you can see, outside of the very dirty window, pretty sure these are cigarette smoke stains. Yeah, I recognize that. That's a cigarette smoke stain, I'm pretty sure. As you can see, it's raining. And this is morning, the same day. It's a Tuesday. The Tuesday before Easter, March somethingeth, 2024. Not 25, not 23, 24. Of course, it could be any of these years at this point. But anywho, look, there's water. That's just like draining off the building over there. It's very exciting. These are the little things in life, you know. Anywho, there's trees. And there's, look, a hill. But that is not the hill in question, I'm pretty sure. I don't know which way is north right now, so it could be the hill in question for all I know. But I'm pretty sure the hill in question is like in that direction somewhere. So as you can see, the weather has improved a bit. It's not raining anymore. It's a little bit more, maybe a little more sunshiny. I don't know. But anywho, I'm gonna go ride my bike because there's a park somewhere nearby-ish that I might be able to go to. So I'm gonna go ride my bike. Yeah, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be good times. Good times. I'm in Chocoloco Park. I guess Chocoloco is a creek, and here's the lake. And I'm standing on top of an ancient Native American mound, or a reconstruction of an ancient mound. That was once the center of the ritual center of a community hundreds of years ago. And over there you can see that's Coldwater Mountain over there. Over there is a different mountain. I don't know the name of it, but that's where the Mountain Longleaf National Wildlife Refuge is. And then the big one, the main attraction, Chiaha Mountain, Mount Chiaha, the highest point in the state of Alabama. It ain't that high, but it is the highest, so it counts for something. Anywho, there's my bicycle way down there. Hello, bicycle. And there's also besides this dirt mound, there's also this pile of rocks that is supposed to be significant. So that's cool. Yeah, this is about 5 miles from my hotel, so I rode my bike over here, no problem. I didn't get hit by a car, and I probably won't get hit by a car on the way back too. Hopefully. Maybe. We can always pray. Anywho, nice birds and stuff out here. It's nice to be in a open space that's a little higher up, because ever since moving back to Alabama from Wyoming, which is kind of where I grew up, in that area, is where I lived most of my life. But I miss the open spaces, you know. Like, I've been to the whole Philippines with my fiance, and out there the ocean is like this vast open space you can see to the horizon. And in Wyoming, the prairie is this vast open space you can see to the horizon. But in Alabama, you don't get that very often. It's mostly, you're just surrounded by endless tall trees and you can't really see anywhere. So this is nice. Anywho, nice clouds out today too. Would you look at that? A roller rink here in Oxford, Alabama. You don't see those every day anymore. I think there's actually I saw on the map there's one in Anniston and one in Oxford. And I saw one on the map somewhere I was driving on the way here. I think it was Gadsden. But yeah, there's you don't see those all the time anymore, but there's a few around here, so that's kind of cool, kind of neat. Anywho, I'm almost back to my hotel. Waffle House, that beacon of hope. Anywho.